Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that pet owners everywhere are buzzing about, the FurZapper 2-pack, a reusable pet hair remover tool that's designed to make laundry day a lot less hairy. We discovered this handy gadget online and made sure to link it in the description below, so you can check out its latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what the FurZapper is all about. This innovative laundry aid is specifically crafted to help loosen and remove loose dog and cat hair from your clothes and other washable fabrics as they move through the washer and dryer. If you've ever battled with pet hair clinging to your laundry, you know how frustrating it can be. The FurZapper aims to tackle this issue head-on. One of the key features of the FurZapper is its reusability. Unlike disposable lint rollers that you have to keep replenishing, these silicone discs can be used over and over again, making them not only eco-friendly but also cost-effective in the long run. Each package comes with 2 FurZappers, which is perfect for households with multiple pets. The recommendation is to use one FurZapper for small to medium loads with light to moderate shedding. If you're dealing with larger loads, bedding, or multiple pets, you'll want to use both units to maximize performance. Speaking of performance, the FurZapper is designed to work seamlessly in both your washer and dryer. Simply toss the FurZapper units in with your laundry, and once the wash cycle is complete, transfer them to the dryer. For items that are heavily fur-covered, it's advised to remove excess fur before washing for optimal results. Though it's important to note that results can vary based on factors like the type of fabric, the amount of hair, and even the type of washer and dryer you have. Now, who is this product really suitable for? If you're a proud pet parent of a dog or cat, especially those breeds known for their shedding, the FurZapper could be a game-changer for you. It's also great for anyone who frequently launders pet beds or blankets. In fact, if your pet is a heavy shedder, having a couple of these handy will help keep your laundry looking fresh and fur-free. When it comes to practical use cases, I can imagine a typical scenario: you've just finished a long day, and you realize that your favorite shirt is covered in fur from your furry friend. Instead of spending time furiously brushing it off or using sticky tape, you can simply toss it in the wash with a FurZapper. After a regular wash cycle, you'll find that a significant amount of that pet hair has been loosened and captured in the dryer's lint trap. It saves you time and effort, allowing you to enjoy more quality moments with your pets. However, to get the best out of your FurZapper, there are a few care tips to keep in mind. Avoid using fabric softeners or dryer sheets, as these can coat the surface of the FurZapper and reduce its effectiveness. If you find that your FurZapper isn't performing as well as it should, a quick clean with some dish soap will restore its tackiness. Just rinse it thoroughly and let it dry on a non-porous surface. Finally, while the FurZapper is an excellent tool for reducing pet hair, it's essential to remember that results can vary. It may not remove all embedded hair in one cycle, especially if the hair is heavily accumulated, but it significantly reduces the amount of loose fur on your clothes. So, if you're tired of battling pet hair on laundry day, the FurZapper 2-pack might just be the solution you've been looking for. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.